This is soju mixed with Sprite.
Place looks really shady. There's no light. So I'm doing my assignments with some Thai coffee. Also, I again made a blunder here and somewhere around here. And I have to rewrite this all over again. And the last date for our assignment submission is 31st March, but I decided to submit it by tomorrow anyhow, that is 9th March, Sunday, because this assignment, I swear to God, like this assignment, I have already written 60 pages and I have to write 20 pages more. It's just I'm having like I'm getting 3-4 hours of sleep, so I have to just get it done.
Cheers.
These are the wild tree potatoes. We call it anging.
This baby is the biggest. She drinks milk all the time. Like, she is the chunkiest one, and look at this. They are so tiny. She drinks all the milk. Look at her stomach, but still she wants to have more. So I'm gonna keep her here because like she literally kicks the other babies. She is so chunky, and Mama Coco, she's tired. Mama Coco, she's tired.
I came with my brother. He's my cousin, first cousin, and obviously he looks like me, so he's my brother. This is mushroom soup. This is honey chili potato. Look at this, looks so beautiful. But I'm gonna have these and let them have that. He looks so grumpy.
So guys, I'm here out with my brother and my cousin. I'm always hanging out with them. Mushroom soup is really good. And honey chili potato. This is grilled chicken combo. I love sauteed vegetables, and these are the dips. Rice looks good, and look at this.
So here we have different levels of wine. This one is the most diluted one, you can see. This one is the second one. Usually we drink this and this, and this one is the top one. Look at the color. Nice. It's not very strong, it's tangy, it's sour, it's sweet. So today is Holi and I was planning on going to Fujin, but then I cancelled it. I'd rather spend time with my family. My parents being from that generation, first of all being Asian, and then from being that generation, they don't show love, they don't show affection directly. They don't say, I need you here, I want you here right now. They don't ask for help. My mom, she calls me and she's like, are you coming home today? And then I ask her, why? Is there something going on today? And then just like, nah, nothing. I just came back from village and I bought your favorite atang. I want you to spend some quality time with us. They won't say directly. They'll just call me up and then say, I bought your random stuffs. Are you coming home? That's indication enough for me, you know? And then I'm okay with it because all throughout their life, my mom, she is in her early 40s. All throughout her life, she's been like that, you know, and I can't change that directly. And same goes my father. He'll just cook. He'll just cook something for us. He'll call me and then he's like, I made something special and you should try it. And that's when I know my father. He wants me over for dinner or for lunch. And I think that's love. Here with my family, you can see the glow on my face. Aesthetic.
Like this is so huge. This is with egg and
This is without egg.
ये तो burrito जैसे ना बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है तेरा अलग है क्या
This is 2000 calories.
स्टाइल में बना हुआ है, रॉ स्टाइल में नहीं बना। Look at this. Look at my hands. So अभी तो this much.
Spicy medium. Spicy.
I will show you how to eat wings like this. See? Clean cut. Chicken katsu, chicken teriyaki. सब लोग सोच रहे हैं हम बॉयफ्रेंड के साथ जाते हैं. Everybody thinks I go out with boyfriend, but they're friend good. They're very shy. So we will mix everything. This is soju mixed with Sprite. It's actually soju का हल्का सा टेस्ट आ रहा है, but Sprite डाला है तो Sprite is also very strong. ये मैं इसके अच्छे पे ग्लो कर रहा था. तेरे कैसे ग्लो कर रहा है?
Look at this place, Polo Park. So shady. हमको पता नहीं ये कहाँ पे लेके आया है. I'm here after like 9 years. I was here exactly on 2016. 2016 को लास्ट था यहाँ पे. हाँ, क्लास 10 एग्जाम के बाद. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे रहता था नाहरलगन में. तो यहाँ पे हम आया था. ये सामने में कोचिंग लेता था ना. तो फ्रेंड्स लोग हम लोग यहाँ पे आया था. ये है एस्टर की कॉलोनी. शी इज द रॉकी ऑफ दिस कॉलोनी. रॉकी.
I guess I rock.
So Esther, this place looks really shady. There's no light, no street light, nothing.
Like and subscribe.